Hey friends, this video is a detailed tour of Radisson Red, Mohali, Punjab, where we stayed for a couple of days in our recent Chandigarh trip. The hotel is located in Phase 9 Industrial Area Sector 66, Mohali, and is 6 km away from Chandigarh International Airport and 9 km away from Chandigarh Railway Station. The hotel has 154 rooms and suites which showcases bold and modern designs. You can experience unparalleled luxury at this elegant property, offering well-appointed rooms, an incredible restaurant, an outdoor pool, gym and upscale amenities. Radisson Red presents a playful twist on conventional hotel stays, injecting new life into hotels through informal services, a social scene that's waiting to be shared, and bold designs. While you wait to check into your room, you can enjoy complimentary refreshing drink at the lobby or can have a bite or two at the cake counter at the lobby area. The reception lobby leads to elevated area which takes the guest up onto the rooms and suites in upper floors. The hotel has 3 elevators with ample space and ventilation. All 154 rooms and suites have high-end amenities to ensure that your downtime is both relaxing and fun. The standard room size is 300 square feet and the room features vibrant designs. Amenities include coffee and tea facilities as well as bedding and pillow section. You can opt for 1 king size bed or 2 single bed at the time of check-in. The tea and coffee section of the room has good selection of beverages and the room has a small refrigerator for storing your cold beverages. You can also find spacious cupboard with iron and iron board and a safe to keep your valuables. The bathroom attached with the room is also very spacious and comes with complimentary toiletries like soap, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, toothbrush, etc. And you can also find a professional hair dryer at the vanity area. The bathroom also has a separate shower unit with rain shower and hand shower both. The room has a comfortable couch and a small coffee table to enjoy your in-room dining. There is also a work desk with ample space to set up your workstation. There is also a TV unit and the hotel offers free Wi-Fi to use at any time, day or night. The lounge of the hotel is perfect to meet friends or visitors and you can laze around on the comfortable couches and sitting options placed all over lounge and can also enjoy live music playing while you relax. From the lounge, you can walk into the restaurant and bar. Their all-day dining restaurant indulge in diverse flavors and dishes of both Indian and European cuisine. The breakfast buffet is complimentary with room and the buffet is laid as early as 6:30 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. You can enjoy the breakfast while enjoying greens from the panoramic window. I personally found the breakfast buffet to be excellent with several choices of juices and milk products. There is also a separate health section counter for Weight Watchers where you will find different kind of cheeses, nuts, seeds, cereals, yogurt, cold milk, salads and salad dressing. The buffet also has a vegan section where gluten-free and lactose-free food is served. There is a different live counter for non-veg where you can get eggs to order, pancake, waffles, crepes, etc. You will also find a vegetarian live kitchen where you can order parathas of your choice or South Indian breakfasts like dosa and uttappams. The dessert counter serves different kind of fruits and fresh juices and almond milk and all kind of cakes, muffins, danishes, donuts and croissants. Along with that, different kinds of condiments are also served like jams, jellies and marmalades. The savory section has wide range of breakfast choices like different preparation of eggs, Indian cuisine where you will find aloo puri, matar kulcha, all kind of chutneys, sambar, idli and Indian snack like poha, samosa, pakoda, vada, etc. For those who enjoy continental breakfast, there is option of noodles, baked vegetables, baked beans, porridge, baked potatoes and boiled corn and peas, and there is also some kind of Indian dessert to finish off the meal. Other than all these food items, we were served strawberry milkshake on special request by the staff. A special mention for Saurav who gave special attention to us and looked after our special requests. I would also like to mention Mr. Vijay Rana who ensured we were having a pleasant time and recommended us to try one of the house specialty of tandoori paratha. If you want to spend a day of leisure, you can do so by enjoying the pool table at the lounge or by sipping at coffee while reading a book at the hotel lounge. For fitness freaks, there is a facility of gym at first floor which guests can use and a small terrace pool for young and old to enjoy. Adjacent to the hotel is a mall Bestech Square where you can hang out in the evenings. Radisson Red also has convention center for gatherings and business conferences and parties. This is a 5-star property and we had booked a standard room through yatra.com. The tariff of the rooms varies from season to season and according to the occupancy. If you are looking for one of the best and luxury stay, then you should definitely check out this property. It is highly recommended.